So what you're gonna do is start up the car. So once you can do that, these are the buttons that we'll use to reset the maintenance light. So left, right, up, down, and back, and OK. So we now, you look at the screen, it say go back. So we're gonna go back. And go up or down, whatever you want, wherever you are. So I'm gonna go down to setting. Then you go to the right. Keep going until you go here, and you hold out the OK button. Then you're gonna go down, and you're gonna hold down. Let me just push it, okay? Push the OK button. Go up, push yes, and that's it. Now, if you want to go back to where you were, just go back, and here you can. After that, you can go up or wherever you left before, and that's it.